Hi guys! This is Kathy Herman and welcome back to my channel. Katatapos lang magluto ni Mami Kat Mio at maglinis ng bahay. At mamaya, meron kaming papuntahan na family dinner. So naisip kong gumawa ng everyday makeup tutorial. In this video, I will show you the products that I regularly reach for. These products na talagang pinagkakatiwalaan ko. Okay, so here we go! Currently, I'm wearing sparkle contact lenses in color brown na binili ko dyan lang sa tabi-tabi. So, before anything else, before applying makeup, I usually put on sunblock, which is a must for everyone. I usually use the Biore or Biore. I'll go for Biore. UV Aqua Rich Watery Essence in SPF PA++++. Okay. Importante to kasi this will protect you from the harmful UV rays of the sun. Kung ayaw niyong tumanda ka agad, kailangan natin gumamit ng sunblock. Ako lately ko lang natutunan yun. So, ever since na nalaman ko na importante talagang maglagay ng sunblock, everyday na rin talaga ako maglalagay ng sunblock kahit hindi lumabas ng bahay. Okay, next is time for primer. I use the No Shine Mattifier from Quick FX or Quick Fix. Okay. Ito nasa 90 pesos lang ata ito sa Watsons. Very budget friendly. At saka nami-minimize na yung appearance ng pores. Okay. Lagay lang natin sa mga areas na may large pores. Para kahit pa paano, matago ang mga sumpa sa buhay natin. Okay. Ang susunod naman, it's either maglalagay na ako ng liquid foundation or BB cream. But today, I've decided to use the BB cream. Pag I usually use my fingertips to apply the BB cream kasi nakakatamad ng gumamit ng sponge or ng brush. Pero pag mga events talagang pinupuntahan ko or pag hindi ako tinamad, of course, I use the makeup brush. Okay. So, ikalat na natin sa mukha natin. Pag fingertips din kasi ang ginamit, mas madaling mag-warm up yung product. Tsaka parang mas seamless yung application sa face. Okay. Next na ginagawa ko is magbe-bake ako. Kasi oily skin talaga ako. Combination skin. Oily dito sa T-zone, tapos dry dito sa labas. So, I usually bake para hindi ako kaagad mag-oil up. The product that I usually use for baking is the Coty Airspun. Here. Can you guys see? Okay. And the Nichido setting powder in Creamy Glow. Favorite to ni Ann Klutz. Kay Ann Klutz ko to kay Mama Ann ko na discover. So, I use my brush and then I will dip it in and apply it to the areas where I want to bake. Usually under the eyes. And sa areas na nag-oil up ako na mabilis. Mabango ito. Amoy, naalala ko yung lola ko dito. Amoy lola. Next product that we're going to use is the L'Oreal Brow Artist Brow Pomade. Okay. Halatang lagi kong ginagamit to kasi nawala na yung brush niya nakasama. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko nilagay. Ibabrush ko muna yung eyebrows ko. Ano ba? Eyebrows or eyebrows?
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows? Oh, okay. So, we're gonna dip in the brush on the product, of course. Usually, I start with outlining my kilay. Okay. Tapos, ibabrush ko ngayon to blend out the product. Now, let's blend out the product using a spoolie. Next, I think okay na itong pagbe-bake natin. So, let's remove the excess powder. I know it looks powdery right now, but later we're gonna spray it with a mist so that the powder will melt in with the skin, will melt into the skin for a more natural finish. But that will be the last step of our makeup tutorial. Next step is to curl our lashes. I'm using the Koji, what's this? Yeah, Koji eyelash curler. Matagal na sa akin to. I bought this at Trinoma department store. I think for around 700 or 600 pesos. What I usually do is I count up to 20 seconds sa pagkukurl ng lashes para mas defined yung curl. Okay? Now it's time for my ever favorite mascara. I'm using the Hair and Make Volume and Curl Mascara. If I have a friend going to Hong Kong or to Macau, lagi ako nagpapabili sa kanila nito. Kasi, ewan ko, doon ko lang nabibili. O doon lang meron. Meron sa Shopee pero sobrang mahal. Kaya, nakikiusap na lang ako sa kanila. Kaya, thank you, says Vanessa Vizcarra and Miss says Nicole Espiritu. Salamat sa inyo. Okay. Sobrang ganda nito kasi, nakukurl niya talaga yung lashes niyo. Nakakadagdag ng volume at saka it stays the way you put it all day long. Kahit na maligo kayo sa pool or umiyak kayo ng umiyak dahil I don't know kung bakit, pero talagang hindi siya magsusmudge, hindi siya magme-melt. Before I apply mascara to my lower lashes, I use any eyebrow powder. Tapos gagamitin ko siya as a contour powder for the outer corner of my eyes, just to bring in some depth into my eyes. Ito na yung difference, di ba? Mas mas deep, parang mas deep set na yung eyes. Hindi ko pinakita sa inyo yung product is the Honey I'm Good from Pink Sugar. Naubos na yung isang shade niya. Ayan. Ganon ko siya ka-love. Next thing I do is apply highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes para lang mabuhay yung mata ko. And I use the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. In the shade Be My Highlight. So, gagamit ako ng ganitong brush. Again, the same brush that I used to apply the contour powder on the outer corner of my eyes. Ngayon, yun, lalagay lang tayo dito sa inner corner. Just to add some sparkle to the eyes. Sometimes, I also use eyeliner. Pero pag tinamad ako, wala. Hindi na ako gumagamit. Pero pag sinipag ako, I usually use the Careline Graphic Ink Liner. Mura lang to, at saka maganda yung performance niya. Okay yung quality. Nabili ko to ng 165 sa Watsons. Okay, ngayon, pwede na tayo maglagay na mascara sa lower lashes. Okay, let's move on to the contouring part. Kahit na everyday makeup tutorial, naglalagay pa rin ako ng konting contour, kahit konti lang, para kahit papaano may definition yung face. At para kunwari payat tayo. Okay. So, I'm using the contour kit from BYS. Okay, so get some product, then tap the excess powder off, and then usually kung saan nagsa-start yung tenga nyo, ano tawag dito? Yung upper part ng tenga nyo, dito ako naglalagay. Para kunwari meron tayong magandang cheekbone. Okay, then drag it down. Then always, if you blend it, always blend it upwards. Okay. So nakikita niyo ba yung difference? Oh, dito payat, dito mas defined dito, di ba? Okay. Let's move on to the other side. Tapos maglagay din tayo sa may dito. Anong tawag dito? What is this called? Jaw. Maglagay tayo ng contour sa may jawline para magkaroon tayo ng jawline. Maglagay tayo ng konti sa yung excess lang, natitira lang. Para lang may bumalik yung... Next part is maglagay tayo ng brow mascara. This one is from Maybelline. This one here. Okay. Brush lang natin upwards. Para may bushy effect yung eyebrows. Next part is... Ano bang next part? I usually go for the lipstick next. My favorite nude lipsticks are from Sunny's Face in the shade Bouquet. Yung anak kong bunso nagbigay sa akin from as a Christmas gift. Yan, siya nagbigay. Thank you, darling. Thank you, darling. Okay. Maganda to kasi isang swipe lang, pigmented na siya. Tsaka maganda yung finish niya. Although hindi siya transfer proof. So, diba? Fresh and lang. Next part, yung blush on naman. I use the blush from the Detail Makeover Contour and Blush Palette, 2-in-1. Medyo, gusto ko, maganda tong contour powder at saka yung blushes nila. Yan, yung favorite ng blush ko sa kanila, malapit ng maubos. Okay. Mag-ano tayo? Drunk blush kunwari. Tapos, mag-spray tayo ng green tea mist from Innisfree. Ayan, maganda to. Nakaka-fresh at saka nakaka-melt siya ng, kumbaga, it makes your makeup melt into your skin. Okay. At saka maganda yung mist nito, very fine. Okay guys, and this is the finished look. I hope you like my everyday makeup tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next video. Okay, now this is your Mommy Cat signing off. Till my next video, bye!